Hi, I'm Jay Timms, one of the assistive technologists at the Center for Accessible Learning here at Algonquin College. I'm here to show you how to download Natural Reader. First thing you want to do, go up to your address bar of your browser or Google it. You could type in Natural Reader, but if you're typing in the URL, it's www.naturalreaders.com. Once you're on the page, which should load pretty quick, hit Software. And as an individual user on your own home use machine, you should be able to use the free version. So we'll download that, and I'll close my Windows protection here. Once the file is done, and it usually downloads in a minute or less, depending on your internet connection, I guess, and the traffic. It's usually, though, pretty quick, so I'm not going to edit this out. We'll just listen to the sound of my voice talking while it downloads. Have about 5 seconds left. I like to use this tool when the other reading tool I'm using isn't working the way I want, or if all I need is something super simple, I can just select text, it reads, and then shows me where I'm reading. It works really well on a Brightspace test. If you want just a basic reader, we can change the voice and the speed, and it does what it's supposed to do. And right click here, choose open, and we'll run through the installer. Just take all of the standard settings, to check out that agreement, which is really short and not really an agreement anyway. Choose next. I'll type in just my first name. You don't have to add anything else there. A bit of marketing stuff for them. And we'll do a complete install. And I don't know why they have that confirmation screen like, yes, I really want to install this. I'll tell Windows, yes, I want to install this too. That's to protect me from installing something that I didn't really need or want. Watch that green bar, which loads pretty quick. Most machines should be fast, whether it's Windows or Mac. The install on a Mac is just a little bit different. So hitting finish, I am going to minimize this. I had a download folder open for Natural Reader, but I don't need that. I'm going to look for that funny icon that it adds to my desktop. I always have to hunt for it a little bit. You might spot it faster than I. There it is. Kind of a white thingy with a funny end thingy. We'll launch that. I don't know how to describe that. This is the default view. For test taking and online content, I actually just go to the More settings and go to Mini Board, and I'll launch that mini board, and that's what you get. We'll jump over to, let's jump over to a quiz that I have open in Brightspace that I'm going to start again. I'll use this for demos because I want to show this for test taking anyway. Basically, you want to open the document that you're interested in reading. As long as it's accessible, there haven't been any kind of lock or protect features to stop you from selecting the text. You just tell it what you want to read. I like to do for tests, question and the answers. We can hit play up over here.
A corporation comes into existence. Question 1 options.
Now, if we want to see what it was reading, we can just pull this down, and depending on the app you're in, it'll highlight up in that box. Some applications it'll actually highlight right on the content in front of you, but here we go again.
A corporation comes into existence. Question 1 options. Upon the shareholders entering into a comprehensive shareholders agreement, upon the shareholders carrying on business with the goal of sharing profit upon.
Now if you're finding that it's a little hard to follow, you could select the question and the answers one at a time. You can also change the voice and the speed. Over here we've got a drop down for who's talking. You can go with a Microsoft Voice is usually what's installed, and generally there's David or Zira. As well, you can change the speed, so if that's a little bit fast or too slow, change that. Now be careful, the speed, it may jump up faster than you think.
Upon the shareholders entering into a comprehensive shareholders agreement upon the share.
You can change those settings however you like them to be. That's up to you, but that's how you can download and install Natural Reader, and as long as you have an accessible document, it's going to let you read that.